What's up, everybody? It's Cameron with Surfboards.com, just back with a Wednesday video update for you. Today is a little bit of a slow day for us. I'm sure everybody else deals with that at work as well. Not every day is, work from bell to bell. Sometimes you got to find some stuff to fill in your day. So I was just going to walk you guys around the warehouse, show you what we're doing, where we're at, and what we got going on for the week. So grab you and we'll head this way. So as you can see behind me in this way, shipping table is pretty much clear for the morning. We shipped out close to 200 orders this morning. So certainly not a dead day by any means, but we were hoping for a little bit more, as any business would. Back here, as far as things going up on the website, pleased to see that we have pretty much cleared out the back area here. Earlier in the week, we probably had 10 or 15 boxes stacked up hiding Hunter over there. Now we're all cleared out. We got a little bit more Quicksilver and Roxy to go up, and we got a couple pairs of Volcom shorts. One of the things that we always try to tackle when we have a little bit of downtime is, we've seen the videos in the past we do about things we have to file claims on. So these boxes here are not resaleable in our incorrect item box. As you could imagine, those are for items that come back to us that are not resaleable, or somebody sent back the wrong item. So Hunter's been going through those this morning, and fortunately we are mostly cleared out. Our return to sender box, that one takes a little bit more time and effort, but we're working on getting those cleared as well. One other thing that happens to us relatively frequently is we get sent things that are incomplete. So we order size 30 through 44, a couple of each size, and we hope that those all arrive. Our mannequin wears a size 30. So when we're taking our pictures, we always try to use a size 30 so it looks as normal as possible on the mannequin. Well, when they don't send us the right stuff, we stick them down here in the boxes you see underneath with all the brand names on them. You see Ruka over there, you see Quicksilver next to it, DC. That is also cleared up for us. So fortunately, we have gone through all those, taking pictures we can, and getting things up for sale on the website. So that kind of takes care of that for us. And then walking you guys to the back of the warehouse, photography studio is all complete. This is where we put all of our stuff to be shot, our men's bottoms, tops, bottoms. You guys can read. Those boxes are all empty. You can see we've just got our mannequin shorts and our mannequin pants there. And then all these items got shot today. So some cool, colorful women's Volcom board shorts, some Volcom men's walk shorts, and then, like I said, a couple items from Roxy as well. That's what those boxes up there also. Probably 10 or so items still need to get up on the website. Those photos are off to be edited in India, and those should be up and for sale by tomorrow. So that kind of squares up this side of the warehouse for us. It just hit noon, so our noon orders are printing right now. Angie and David will be getting those shipped up and packed up and shipped out for the day. So yeah, really just a kind of a fill-in video. Not a whole lot going on at Surfboards.com. I'm sure everybody has dealt with days like this at work where, you've got stuff that you have to do. It was all done an hour ago, and now you're just trying to fill in your days with things you have time for. So what do you guys do when you got an empty day at work? Let me know. Please subscribe, like, leave us a comment, and we'd love to hear from you. So thanks for watching. Check out our website, surfboards.com, and we'll talk to you again later in the week.